How to turn off or adjust mature content filter on Vimeo. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. To turn off mature content on Vimeo, first of all, go ahead and launch open the Vimeo application on your device. Once you're inside the main homepage, logged into your account, go ahead and click on the Manage button from the bottom and go to upper right corner inside Manage and tap on your profile avatar. In the expanded menu, go ahead and click on Account option. Under Account Settings, tap on Viewing Experience. Select Don't Show Mature Content. Once you choose that, click on Save at the top right corner. Once the option is ticked, Vimeo will hide mature content from your feed and recommendations. You can go ahead and also choose from the bottom menu whether you don't want to see unrated content or any other content option over here. Just make your selection and click the Save button at the top right corner to turn off mature content on Vimeo. If you want to switch back and allow mature content to appear again, then repeat the step and select Show Everything, or you can also choose from the bottom as mentioned earlier. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.